Yeah, hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. So in the previous video, ADA was about to break through resistance. As you can clearly see, I think I made the video just at the top. In the video itself, we didn't have any indication it had topped yet, but it must have topped just after the video because we were just pushing with an engulfing green candle to the upside here, and there was no red candle or anything visible. It has done that, however, now, yeah, it's come down a bit. And it basically has a correction where ideally it shouldn't have one. Yeah. So the current price action, the current decline means we need to keep an eye on a possible ABC structure here. But the problem is I don't really like that idea because it would most likely mean that the C wave will break below the A wave. And then, okay, then we might have support at 31.2 cents. Ideally, it doesn't break below that level. That is the 78.6 retracement. So ideally, we hold above that. But let me explain. So first of all, if I zoom out a little bit here on the ADA chart, we see that of the December lows, we rallied in a 5-wave move. We then came down into our target area, ABC, hit the 61.8 retracement and turned around. That's ideal for a wave 2. So wave 1 up, wave 2 down. Perfect. So the support area did hold. It even rallied in 5 waves, even better. It came down back into the support area for the next 1-2 setup. So basically we could assume now, at least carefully, that we are now in this 3rd wave. So if you see the entire price action of the December lows, we could say wave 1 up, wave 2 down, wave 3 up. That wave 3 should take us above 50 cents. Yeah, ideally sort of 55 plus. And we could now say that due to the price action, due to the fact that we turned around in our green support area, we can say that, and especially because we turned around impulsively, we can say that we most likely are now in the 3rd wave, especially as long as 31.2 cent is holding, because we have a 5-wave move up and we had a possible 3-wave move down deep into support. In any 1-2 setup, you want that the 78.6 retracement is holding. Otherwise, it will get questionable. Not invalidated, but questionable. And yeah, and then we are obviously rallying to the upside. This was the trend reversal area. Price rallied, but isn't really getting off. It was looking quite good this morning, but it's not a 5-wave structure to the upside. So if I'm considering that I am already in the 3rd wave to the upside, then to count this, I would say, okay, we had a wave 1, we had a wave 2, this could have been a wave 3, but this would need to be a wave 4, way too sharp. Yeah? Makes it questionable, and then we would need one more high to have at least 5 waves. At the moment we have 3, and as long as we stay below the 34.6 cent level, we can count it as a 3-wave move up, making a C wave down quite likely. Targets for the C wave. Well, ideally it goes below the A wave low. So if we make one more low here in the C wave, yeah, you can't rule out that it goes below the low of the A wave. That was at 31.6 cents. Basically, the problem is that any wave 2 which goes below the 78.6 retrace, as you know, is less reliable. Doesn't mean it couldn't still work out in the end, but it just means it's less reliable. But yeah, 78.6 retrace is certainly a target here at 31.23 cents. If we drop below that, I think we talk about the 30.6 cent level, which is the golden ratio again of the larger cycle. And we can also take the length of the A wave and we go to the high of the B wave. I mean, that assumes now that the B wave is complete, but there's no guarantee it is complete. So it can very well still extend out further in the coming days, maybe over the weekend. But then we've got targets here. Well, yeah, the common one here would be the 61.8 extension, which is also in that region around 31.4 cents. The target below that, the 1-to-1 ratio, would be too low, and it would invalidate the 1-to-1 ratio, would invalidate that 1-2 setup. So yeah, these are the things I'm watching out for at the moment. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.